Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In today's session, we are going to discuss the second lesson. The name of the lesson is The Lost Sheep. The Lost Sheep. I'll read the text. Listen carefully, children. A little boy had a sheep. The sheep ran away. The sheep went into the forest. He saw some grass. He wanted to eat the grass. The little boy wanted to go home. The sheep would not go home. The boy began to cry. A rabbit came by. A little boy had a sheep. One day the sheep ran into the forest. The little boy ran behind the sheep, and the, the sheep reached the forest, and the little boy also reached the forest. And after going to the forest, the sheep saw some grass. The sheep wanted to eat the grass, and the little boy wanted to go home. The little boy called the sheep that we will go back to the home, but the sheep would not go home. The boy began to cry. As the boy started crying, a rabbit came to the boy. And rabbit asked, "Why are you crying, little boy?" Then the rabbit asked, "Why are you crying, my dear little boy?" And the boy said, "I am crying because my sheep has run away." As the boy said to the rabbit, "The sheep has run away into the forest to eat the grass." Then rabbit said to the boy that, "Don't cry, little boy. I can make the sheep go home." So rabbit said to the boy that, "Please don't cry, my dear. I'll make the sheep to go home." The rabbit ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the rabbit began to cry. Now the rabbit went into the forest and after the sheep. Then the rabbit asked the sheep to go home, but the sheep said, "I would not go home." Then the rabbit came back to the boy and it also started crying. A squirrel came by. "Why are you crying, little rabbit?" Then, as the rabbit and boy both are crying here, meanwhile a squirrel came there and asked the rabbit, "Why are you crying, little rabbit?" Then rabbit said, "I am crying because the little boy is crying. His sheep has run away." So rabbit said the reason that why she is crying. As the little boy is crying, rabbit is also crying. And it is telling the reason why the little boy is crying. As the sheep run into the forest, so the boy is crying. As the boy is crying, the rabbit is also crying. Then the squirrel said, "Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home." Then squirrel said to the rabbit, "Please, rabbit, you don't cry. I'll make the sheep to go home." Then the squirrel ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the squirrel began to cry. A fox came by. As the squirrel said to the rabbit, "Please don't cry. I'll make the sheep go home." Then squirrel went to the sheep and asked the sheep to go back to the home. The sheep said that, "I wouldn't go back to home." Then the squirrel came back to the rabbit and the boy and it also started crying. As now little boy is crying, rabbit is crying, and squirrel is also crying. As these three are crying, a fox came by. The fox came to them and it asked that, "Why are you all crying? Why all of you are crying? What happened?" Then the rabbit said, "We are crying because the little boy sheep has run away." Rabbit said the reason why they are crying. The little boy sheep run into the forest, so we are crying. Then rabbit said, "Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home." And rabbit said that rabbit requested them, "Please don't cry. I'll make the sheep go back to home." The fox ran after the sheep. The sheep would not go home. Then the fox began to cry. Now the fox also ran back the sheep and requested the sheep to go back home. But the sheep would not go home. Then the fox came back to the rabbit, squirrel and the boy, and the fox also began to cry. It also started crying. A bee flew by. As the fox, rabbit and squirrel, all these are crying, a bee came there and it is asking them, why are you all crying? So it is asking them that what happened, what is the reason why all of you are crying. Then all these three animals, they said that we are crying because the little boy sheep has run away. And they said the reason that what happened, what is the problem for which they are crying. So they are telling the reason what happened. They are telling that the boy sheep went into the forest to eat the grass and it is not willing to go home. So the boy is crying. As the boy is crying, these animals are also crying. Then the bee said, please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home. Then the bee said to these animals, that is the fox, rabbit and squirrel, that please don't cry. I'll make the sheep go home. And the sheep went into the forest. Then the fox said to the remaining animals, that is the rabbit and squirrel, that we cannot make the sheep go home. Can a little bee make the sheep go home? So rabbit got it out that we all tried to send the sheep to the home, but it is not possible for us. And they are thinking that, and the fox said that, is it possible for the bee? It is a small insect. Is it possible to the small insect to send the sheep home? Then the fox laughed, the rabbit laughed, the squirrel laughed. When fox said these words, the fox got it out. It is a small insect. Is it possible for it to send the sheep home? So the fox laughed. When the fox laughed, the rabbit also laughed and the squirrel also laughed. The little bee flew into the forest. As the bee said to these animals that I'll make the sheep go home, then it went into the forest. By seeing the little insect, the sheep feared. The insect, the little bee, it is making the sound buzz. Buzz sound is making. By hearing that sound, the sheep was feared that it may bite. When the bee bites, the sheep may get the pain, so it is fearing. The bee will sting me, I must run. So the sheep thought that it will bite me. If it bite, I'll get pain, so I'll go back to home. And it started moving back. The sheep ran home. Then the little boy laughed. He said, thank you, little bee. Now as the sheep saw the bee coming towards it, the sheep ran home. By seeing that, the little boy laughed. He was very happy that the sheep is going to home. And he said, thank you to the little bee. It was a beautiful lesson, isn't it, children? Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Now we'll pick out the hard words from the text. First bit, hard words. In that, first one, little, Little, little. Second one, forest, Forest, forest. Third one, began, Began, began. Fourth one, rabbit, Rabbit, rabbit. Fifth one, squirrel, Squirrel, squirrel. Sixth, bee, bee. Seventh one, flew, flew. Eighth, loft, loft. Ninth, buzz, buzz, buzz. Tenth one, sting, S-T-I-N-G, sting. Shall we read out the hard words once again, children? First one, little. Second, forest. Third, began. Fourth, rabbit. Fifth, squirrel. Sixth, bee. Seventh, flew. Eighth, loft. Ninth, bus. 10th, sting. Okay, children? Okay. Today, your homework is read the lesson and learn and write hard words in your notebook. Read the lesson, The Lost Sheep, and learn and write these 10 hard words in your notebook. Okay, children? See you in the next session. Bye.